Hi there, we're at Christine Jewelers today and we have Mark with us. Whenever we have Mark, there is a new watch to be released. So today we have the new Whale Shark. Uh, Very interesting dial. We'll have Mark talk about it. Um, Wrist check, we have Chinese New Year. I have a red bracelet on my Oris Aquis. So, and Mark has the PPX. Very nice. Mark, welcome.
Hi. So I'll talk about the watch. So yeah, the Whale Shark Limited Edition. Alex has it in his hands. We'll give you a little bit of a closer view of it. It is part of our Change for the Better campaign. So as we all remember, we've done a few conservation limited editions over the last few years. And this is one that we're going to be introducing this year. There will be 2016 of them commemorating the announcement of the IUCN for trying to basically make a better situation for this fish in the ocean, because at the end of the day, we're looking at 2,270 species in the ocean that are endangered or threatened, and 30% of our carbon dioxide is absorbed by the ocean. So very important ecosystem, and without this fish, these ecosystems will collapse. But that's all fine and dandy, but at the end of the day, we're talking about a watch. So I'll give you guys a little bit of details. The Whale Shark Limited Edition is a 43.5 millimeter GMT Aquis. The GMT is highlighted by an orange pointer. You're looking at a full case back with an engraving. Maybe Alex could pop that up on screen. Some of the neat aspects of this timepiece, like I said, 43.5 millimeter. You have 300 meters of water resistance. The coolest feature of this watch would be the dial. So the dial is meant to replicate whale shark skin. I think the scales are a little bit smaller on the watch because it is a fish the size of a school bus. So I think it would probably be the size of a dial. But definitely that dial pops on the watch. Beautiful color. You have the two-tone bezel, so half and half, black and blue, and just a beautiful dial, beautiful watch, GMT, and like I said, 2016 of these in rotation. And this time around, only on metal bracelet. The orange rubber strap that came out last year is compatible to this watch.
Oh, nice.
So if anyone wants to, around the summertime, get that orange rubber strap, just call Christine's. We'll put it on order for them and send it out as soon as possible. It's the same pin with 24 millimeters.
Nice. So retail?
4,000 on the button.
Okay.
I also enjoy how depending on which way the light hits the dial, it looks a little bit darker, a little bit brighter. Kind of what we've done with the deep blues in the past in the Aquis collection. It looks a lot than it does in the press shot. So
yeah, it looks like a darker blue. But I really like the texture on the dial. Really interesting.
I think the texture is like the key selling point. If you want a dial that's unique, very different, I think that motif of the whale shark skin really gives that watch a great look.
So it is going to be available starting today. For those who want to come check out the watch, you're welcome to come to our store or go on our website.
Will be 1 or 2 more watches this year. I would put a guarantee on that. Maybe more, who knows? And anyone who wants the pleasure of a great experience shopping, stop by and see Alex at Aberdeen Center in Vancouver, or Richmond, I should say.
Thank you again, and stay tuned for more new videos.